Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to establish the database connection using IntelliJ with MySQL server. So there are many students who ask me to connect IntelliJ using MySQL. So it is very simple, right? So here, first what I'm going to say, I'm going to create a new project. File new project. Next. Here I'm going to Java SQL. The project name I have you SQL. Click finish. uh, I'm going to new window. Right, perfect. Now this is your, if you create the IntelliJ project, it look like this. Now I'm going to add the database connection, right? So how to add it? Inside the src folder, right click. I'm going to create a Java class. Here I'm going to create name as school, student, just a student class. Right now I just, what I'm going to do is I just copy and paste this code, same code. You no need to write again by again. They establish the class coding. I'll just paste it and I'll be explained, don't worry about that. Right, okay. Instead of writing this one, this all the connection property, you have to implement in one namespace which will be manage everything. SQL, if you implement this namespace, it will be manage everything. Okay, right. Here inside the main method, inside the class I have created the main method. I have a create two objects, SQL connection object and prepare statement object. This is the driver registration. The new way we have registered the driver. Here have to put the keyword word KJ. This is a new way registration the MySQL driver. Right now here, now I'm going to create a new database. Right, database I've created. First you have to install the MySQL batch in your machine. Okay, MySQL batch. It is simple. Okay, rather than compare to XAMPP server, it is very easy. If you are comparing SAMS, if you install the SAMS server, it will look like this, right? Okay. Now in the SAMS server, you have to create the database simply. Here, if you don't have idea how to create a database, in here you click new schema. I'm going to create a database as LBS. Apply. Now my LBS database has been created successfully. We expand it, select the table, right click, create table. I'm going to create a table student table. I'm going to create a student. Now here, I'm going to create a table, right click, create table, student. I'm going to add the columns. So click here, double click this ID, primary key, set primary key, with auto increment, student name, st name is watcher. After that, press tab key. This one should be the mobile. That's it. Let's apply. Why? Right. The problem is here. This one. Not now. Click apply. Right. It's working. Right. Now what I'm going to do is click finish. Now let's back to, this is the database which I am going to create, connect it. It's my Eclipse. Sorry, IntelliJ. Right. So here you can see there the tab which is a database. You can see here this database. Click at the flash symbol, data source. You can connect it here as well. MySQL. Okay, you define the while you installing the MySQL work batch. I have given the username root, password root, database name. What is the database name? I have given there LBS. This is the right. Okay, the click apply to test the connection. Connection succeed. Click OK. That's it. It's working. Now what I'm going to say, this connection will see whether it's working fine or not, right? So what's the database name? LBS, right? Password. This is a driver where we register the driver. This is a path will be connected. There is my database resides in localhost LBS. Root is a username, password is root. While install the MySQL workbench, right? The MySQL workbench, username and password. If it is the connection is success, we will be able to get this message success. Let's check on the console whether it's working fine or not, right? That's the thing you have to do, right? Now what I'm going to say, go to the run, click run here. This is a student. Click here. The first time run, it will be take it the project. Now it's building. You have to wait until the project building here. It building. What is the problem? Right here. Why? What is the problem? It's getting here. I have a driver error. Driver is not there. That's why it's showing there. So here, this problem is mine. Right click, select this one. Right click. We have to add the new directory lib. This directory I'm going to add the driver. Okay. So first, go to the Google and type MySQL. Here MySQL connector Java jar download. If you type this one, it goes to the particular link for download them. Click here. This is a jar. You have to download, right? Okay. You have to type the drive jar. This jar file, download and extract them. You get as a normal folder, right? After that, what you are going to do is after done the stuff, inside lib folder, I have to attach them. So right click here, open in Explorer. Here I'm going to put it the jar. So what I'm going to say, I'm going to go to the E drive. My jar I have put it as my D drive. So D drive and get them. Left drive or right. Yeah, here. This is jar. This jar you just copy and paste this inside the lib. It's coming now here the lib. If you refresh them, it's there. Now go to the file. Now let's run and check. Now again the problem seems to be happen. The problem, you have to go to the file, project structure, add the modules here also you will be want to add it. That's driver. The dependencies, you can see the dependency here. You can add that jar directories. You have to add then my this one is my this is my project. This is my jar. You have to select your project and jar. Then only the MySQL will be configured. Applied. Okay. Now let's run. Here you can get the messages success. Now it's working. This is how we have configured the MySQL driver. IntelliJ and MySQL work using my MySQL workbench. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you for watching.